hair ages just like fine wine. Just like fine wine. It ages. The older it gets, the more beautiful it gets, the sexier it gets, the classier it looks. AYYYA hair makes you feel sexy, makes you feel beautiful, makes you look beautiful, and makes you happy, because with this hair you don't have to do too much. It speaks for itself. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Who missed me? If you missed me, guys, say hello, like this video, and comment that you missed me, because your babe is back. Your babe is back full time, guys. I know that it has been like a while that I came and gave you guys a sit down video, and here, guys, this video, thank AYYYA Hair for bringing me here. AYYYA Hair brought me back to YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is NK Unfiltered. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, FCT, Nigeria. I am a lawyer, I am a mom, I am a content creator and influencer, and every other thing in between, guys. Oh, I'm a wife. Don't forget I'm a wife. Don't ever forget that I am a wife. Person keep me for house. Guys, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, we can welcome you to the Unfiltered gang, because right here we are. Things are happening, things happen, all the good things of life happen right here. So guys, thank you so much AYYYA Hair for plugging us in and bringing us back here. We appreciate you, we are grateful, and we love you. Guys, you know what? Hold on. This video, I'm going to tell you guys about the changes I am doing on my channel, and also telling you about AYYYA Hair. If this is a video you would love to see, stay tuned and let's get right into it. Hi guys, welcome back. So before I get right into the video of the day, I want to tell you guys why I have been away. So I gave myself from last year, September, October, November, December, and January to get my YouTube channel to the place I want it to be. I know it hasn't gotten there yet, but at least I got 1K subscribers and I got my watch hour. So I am monetized on YouTube, as you all know. So when I was done with my YouTube, I decided to go on my Instagram. Now on my Instagram, I have a lot of followers. 12K is a lot, at least I'm trying there. I have like 12K followers on Instagram, and my account reach was so bad and poor because I wasn't taking content creation seriously on Instagram. So I had to tell myself, you know what, we've gotten YouTube to be monetized, and it takes a lot of work on YouTube, yes, but Instagram has to be monetized too, so that both of them can be going hand in hand. I can make money from YouTube, make money from Instagram, make money on all my social media channels. So I had to channel my energy on my Instagram. So while doing that, Instagram took over and YouTube started suffering, and I told myself, you know what, just wait, let YouTube just wait, just go on Instagram and get this thing done. So I went on Instagram and faced Instagram, and guys, I am proud to say that my Instagram that was on 10K reach is now on 20 and something K reach, like I think 230 today or something. So the reach has increased, my numbers are growing, my page is visible, people are seeing my page, I am getting paid gigs. See, there's nothing as sweet as getting paid gig. Ask any content creator, it's nothing as sweet as that. Brands are seeing my page, brands are reaching out, content creators are engaging, content creators are reaching out, people are following my page, I am plugging people in, and that's like the best thing. So guys, now let's get right to AYYYA Hair. Now AYYYA Hair, look at. See, the beauty of AYYYA Hair can't be overemphasized. If you're wondering, yes, I dyed my hair ginger. I dyed my hair ginger. If you're on my Instagram, please follow me on Instagram at NK_Unfiltered. That's where all the magic happens. I decided to make my AYYYA hair. I made this my AYYYA hair like 2 weeks ago, and the reason why I didn't come immediately to plug you guys in is because everybody I have seen that plugged you guys on AYYYA hair did it immediately. Their hair was braided, immediately they were going to braid their hair, come along with me and all whatnot. I decided to come and bring you guys, since we are the Unfiltered gang, I brought the raw Unfiltered video for you guys. This is AYYYA hair in its raw form after 2 weeks plus. Yes, 2 weeks plus actually, because I made it, yes, 2 weeks plus. And this is AYYYA hair in its raw form. This hair is lush, this hair is beautiful. If you don't know about AYYYA hair, I'm going to put them in my description box. I'm going to talk about them fully and tell you guys what AYYYA hair is about, all the specifications. I use the ginger and I use it in 30 inches and 24 inches. Yes, 3 bundles of 30 inches and 2 bundles of 24 inches. It's like a layered braid. So they use the 24 inches on top and use 30 inches under. So this is the outcome of the hair. I just styled it regularly. I'm also going to be doing for you guys a style video, like how you can style your AYYA hair. AYYA hair is a luxury hair brand. When I say luxury, read my lips, luxury, because this is luxury. The hair is tangle free, the hair is beautiful, it is lush. As you see, AYYA hair ages just like fine wine. Just like fine wine. The older it gets, the more beautiful it gets, the sexier it gets, the classier it looks. AYYA hair makes you feel sexy, makes you feel beautiful, makes you look beautiful, and makes you happy, because with this hair you don't have to do too much. It speaks for itself. If you want to fly, just fly it on your body. It relaxes, it compliments you, and makes you feel fulfilled. So thank you, AYYA hair, for sponsoring this video and for plugging us in, because see, what are we without AYYA hair? We are nothing but pencil in the hands of AYYA hair. So guys, now let me now tell you guys about our page revamping. So on this channel, I have always liked to talk about sex, relationship, and everything you know everything I like to talk about. So, but checking it and reading all the guidelines, when you talk about all these kind of things, some of these things tend to break the rules and regulations of YouTube and even Instagram. So I decided to revamp it to an extent, and now we've come up with a series. It is the marriage, relationship, and now those 3 things that come together: marriage, the relationship, and the S word. You know what that means? The mirimo. Yes. So guys, I'm going to tell you guys everything about marriage. This series is going to be preparing intending couples, intending wives, intending husbands, married people, and all whatnot. Even if you are divorced, it is for you. We're going to be talking about the raw clips, the unfiltered clips of marriage, those things you don't talk about, those things you don't tell you. And we're also going to be here to be telling you those things you can do to make yours work, those things you can do to make yours as sweet as you want it. No marriage is the same, because it's true, nobody's journey is the same. But you can also get all these things from us, and you would understand where we are coming from. We're going to be bringing people on this channel once in a while, or maybe plenty times, tell you guys raw opinion. We'll pick a topic about marriage or relationship or the S word and tell you guys about it, and we'll discuss it in its raw form. Now, people want to talk about this, but there is no channel, and there is not enough channel. Let me know this really, those are already doing this. We don't have enough channel talking about it in its raw form. People are guarding their heart, people are guarding their words, minting their words, and watching what they say. But on this channel, we're going to try our possible best to be unfiltered and be careful for it not to break the rules and guidelines of YouTube. So guys, if this is the kind of thing you're going to be interested in, do tune in, share with your friends, like this video if you've not liked it, share this video if you've not shared it, and comment that you're in for it. See, if you know me, anybody that knows me, that I like to talk. I'm passionate about relationship. Now this is my background. I've been my husband since 2011. See, it wasn't perfect. It was it wasn't all rosy, but we made it work. We made it work, and in 2019 we got married, and we are still together. This is 12 years together now. I'm not saying I have the perfect marriage, I'm not saying I have the perfect relationship with my husband. I'm saying I want you guys to come with me and learn. Let's learn together, because see, when two people come together, it's good. And you call my million or making it a war for and what again? Igwe BK. So guys, if you're not an Igbo lady, I'll translate this. If I don't translate it, just ask others or tell me, Enke, what did you say at this point of the clip? Let me know that you have watched up to this extent. If you are an OG on this channel, thank you so much for supporting your girl. I really appreciate you. If you are back here, thank you so much. Don't leave us, because we are back. We're going to try and be uploading at least twice a week, but at least one of this series every week, so that we can come together, discuss, gist, and also get to know each other. Thank you so much for watching this video, and again, shout out to AYYA Hair. Go show them love on Instagram. They are currently in Abuja, Lagos, and Port Harcourt. See, you don't want to miss AYYA Hair. Go check AYYA Hair out, and check my description box below for all the details you need to know about AYYA Hair. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. But come, like the video please, share it, comment, so that Instagram can push it to a wider audience. Thank you so much. I love you all, and as usual, it's your baby girl, the unfiltered Enki. Bye.
but we don't talk anymore.